Okay, this isn't the normal weekly video. This is just a quick one to basically answer something that's been going on with Laguna lathes for ages, right? A lot of people complaining about it, right? That when you put your tool rest into your banjo, that you basically have to swing out of this to get it to lock, right? Right. Now, there's a cure, right? If you look at your banjo, right, you have your tighten handle, and underneath it there, you have a second hole, right? Now, that second hole will tighten that up. What you need is a bolt that will go through, right, and is the right thread. Now, I didn't use the levelers on my lathe because I'm on a concrete floor and the lathe is at the right height for me. So what I did was I cut a nut off one of the levelers because it's the right size, right? And I just screwed it in there. Pliers is there, right? I just screwed the yoke in there, right? Just so it kind of just barely sticks out there, right? Now, before I tighten this up, right, you can see how loose that is, right, when it's opened, right? Still loose, right? Now it's holding there, right, but it's still loose. Push down more, still loose, push down more. After swinging out of it, it locks, right? Now, I got the nut that's on the leveler, right? Put it onto that nut, put it onto that bolt, right? I got a ratchet, it's 14, right? Put it on, start to tighten it up, right? Put that in, keep tightening it a little bit. Right, now you play around with this until you get it to where you want it. Right, that's too tight. Slacking it off slightly, still too tight. Right, it's just starting to slide in now. Right, it's just starting to move, so up a half a turn. Right, right. Out slightly, right. Tool post goes in and out, and the lock now goes, right, right. The lock now goes from there to there, and it's solid, right. So your lock now is basically an eighth of a turn, and it's locked solid, right. And all it takes is to use that bottom hole, right? Just find a bolt that fits it, that has the right thread. So I hope that was useful. I hope it solves the problem for a lot of people. If it was any use to you, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to the channel. Share this video around to anybody who has a Laguna who's having this problem. This will sort it out, and it basically costs nothing.